Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to order your debit card in minutes. If you use PayPal frequently, getting a PayPal debit card can be a convenient way to access your balance and make purchases without needing to transfer funds to your bank account. This card works like a standard debit card, allowing you to spend your PayPal balance anywhere that accepts MasterCard. You can also withdraw cash from ATMs using the card. Ordering a PayPal debit card is simple and can be done in just a few minutes through the PayPal app. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the step-by-step process of requesting your card and show you how to start using it immediately. To begin, open the PayPal app on your phone. If you do not already have the PayPal app, you can sign up using the link in the description. Once you have signed up, log into your PayPal account using your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may need to enter a security code sent to your phone or email to access your account. After logging in, you will be taken to the PayPal home screen. From here, locate and tap on the Wallet button, which is usually found at the bottom right corner of the screen. The Wallet section is where you can manage your PayPal balance, link bank accounts, and order a PayPal debit card. Once you're in the Wallet section, look for an option that says PayPal debit card. If you do not see this option, it may mean that your account is not yet eligible for a debit card. To check eligibility, you can sign up using the link in the description. Visit PayPal's website and look for the requirements for ordering a debit card. If your account qualifies, you should see the option to apply for the PayPal debit card. Tap on it to proceed with the application. Next, you will be taken to a page where you can begin the ordering process. PayPal will provide you with terms and conditions for using the debit card. It is important to read through these terms to understand any fees, usage policies, and benefits associated with the card. If you agree to the terms, tap on the button that says Accept or Agree to Continue. The next step is to provide a mailing address where your PayPal debit card will be sent. PayPal will automatically display the address linked to your PayPal account, but if you want the card sent to a different address, you can enter a new one. Make sure the address is correct, as this is where your physical card will be delivered. Once you have verified your address, tap on the Confirm button to proceed. After confirming your address, you will be shown a final review screen where you can double-check your details. If everything looks correct, tap the Submit button to place your order. Once your request is submitted, PayPal will send you a confirmation message letting you know that your PayPal debit card has been ordered. PayPal will also send an email confirmation with additional details about your order. The card typically takes a few business days to arrive, depending on your location. However, if you need to use your card immediately, PayPal provides a digital version of the card that you can access right away. To use your digital PayPal debit card, go back to the PayPal debit card section in the Wallet tab of the PayPal app. You will see an option to view your card details. Tap on the eye icon to reveal the full 16-digit card number, expiration date, and security code. This digital card can be used for online purchases wherever MasterCard is accepted. If you need to add it to a digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay, you can do so directly from the PayPal app. Once your physical card arrives, you will need to activate it before using it. To do this, log into your PayPal account, go to the PayPal debit card section, and follow the activation instructions. You may need to enter the card's security code or confirm a one-time code sent to your email or phone. After activation, your card will be ready for use. You can make purchases in stores, online, and withdraw cash from ATMs using the card. Keep in mind that ATM withdrawals may come with fees, depending on the machine and the financial institution operating it. You can check PayPal's website for details on any applicable fees. Don't forget to click the link in the description to sign up for PayPal for free.